Is this the best accessories for a sport car? Let's see. So in my car, I don't have spare anymore. I'm using the space for different stuff. My tires run flat tires, so I don't need the spare that much. But especially in this country where I live, in the summer the temperature is really high, and in the winter it's coming like 50 degrees differences. And often I have the issue, not only in this Mustang, it's also other cars, where the pressure is actually coming down from time to time. So instead of going to what we call here a buncher, then easy thing is I like to have my own compressor in the car. But still, because I don't use this car often, I travel, then sometimes the batteries die. For example, you can see that now the voltage is coming down to 11.3, which is, yeah, soon it won't be able to start. So I like to have my own jump start as well. And then I have many accessories in the car, power bank, which I don't like to keep. And then I found this option, which is really look very nice. So it says jump start, smart clamps. So these are actually has a safety built in. You can charge it to the car, USB, compressors. And the other side, there is much more nicer information, more technical. So we have the peak current 2000 amp. It's for up to 8 liter gas cars or 6.5 diesels, which is very important because you can't have small jump start for big engines. That's gonna consume it, that's gonna burn the cables. Yeah, compressors, operation temperature, you can charge your mobiles with it, fast charge, because it has a battery, and it's very practical as a power bank as well. So let's see what's inside. We will be back in a second. This is the one. We don't need the box anymore. I'm gonna pick up that just for fun. Yeah. Don't call me crazy. I might be crazy. So here you have the accessories. This is the most important thing. It has the control system to allow safety measure not to overcurrent or something like that. Then type C with a thing to charge for your car. I don't gonna need this. Some small adapters for, it depends which type of things you want to pump air into. And this is the device. Let's throw this on. It doesn't want to go. You go. Okay. And then you go too. I'm a bad boy. So let's see about this one. What do we have here? So the power. Oh my god. Oh, that's long press. Then we have the light. So on off. Nice. It has a cooling fan for the motor. Then you set which PSI pressure you want to have, and then you click on. It's very nice. So I'll show you how much capacity of the built-in battery it has in. Flashlight. Let's see with the flashlight. Is there different mode? Nope. Yeah, that's it. Then, oh, it has a nice strap, so you can carry this one with it. Looks sweet. And here's your, how does this thing come out? Come out. Come out. It is squeezed in. So yeah, it tells you be careful. It's gonna be hot. Of course, when you bump air of any compressor, the air will be hot. So you have to be careful. So yes, this one, it has the lock system in it. So you just put it in the tire and lock it in. Let's see, give it a test, see how it's gonna work. So yeah, we pick up this mess. I threw it in later. Yeah, let's see about this one. Here we have the tire. Even it's noon time, but kind of need some light. So this one comes out from here. Sweet. Then let's see, we go on. So it says 27 and we want to have it up to 35. Wow, let's see. Yeah, it's kind of warm. So we bumped in almost 7 psi, but it's kind of warm. It's not hot. Just like that. Where did we lose the valve cover? Oh my god. Oh, this is the one where you plug in the battery jump start. So I was confused about how do we charge this one, and it's actually very nice. So you charge this with a Type-C, charge the device with it, and these two are outputs. And this one, if you want to have a 12 volt external connection like the cigarette connection which you have in your car. So 3 outputs, different types, and this is the input, which is really nice. If this is Type-C charger, then it will charge very fast. Then basically this thing will go right in here. It fits very nice. And then I won't be needing this one anymore. So I take this one to my Explorer back again. Wait. Don't start making the comments and dislikes. Since the injury of my knee, I didn't drive the car. I couldn't drive the car. So here, after some weeks, now the battery is kind of dead. Let's see. So we have 11 volts. Let's see in the car, because you can hear the horn is very weak, very weak. Come on. Let's see, what do we have? Okay. So we have 11.4. Let's switch off this one. 10.4. It is 10.4, not 11. My mind would like to take something differently. So, energy saving mode. Now, be sure when you plug in the jump start that you don't have high consumption. So don't make things operating in the car, because that will just make spark. Teeth. Plug in the positive. I will do that in a step. So once this is plugged, I get notification. We have 64%. It's clicking. I'm not sure what is this clicking means, but let's start the car. And once you start the car, as soon as possible remove the jump start, because you will charge it with the car that way. So I would say, out of the experience, the device is very good one. Recommended.